Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to discuss about thought structure. We know whatever we think, we have to speak them out so that we can communicate with others. So we human beings are actually society animals. We live in society where we have to interact with other people. And in this way, our life goes on. Now, how can we communicate with people in English? We know we have some thoughts in our mind, we have some opinions or views on any topic or on anything, but sometimes we feel like that we can't express more in English. We are somewhere feeling like that now it is enough. I have introduced myself, I have talked something about this topic, now it's going to end. I can't speak more. But if it happens in your own native language, in your own mother tongue, then you could speak more and more. Because in our own language, we express more well. We don't think like that now we have to end the speech here. So from one topic, another topic arises, and then the third topic arises. In this way, topics after topics, and we generally speak a lot in our mother tongue or in our native language. We feel so comfortable because from very childhood we are speaking in that language, so we can express vibrantly, I can say vibrantly, in our own mother tongue. But in case of English, we can't feel like that we can say more. Somewhere we feel like that I have said enough. If anybody asks me, how was your yesterday? I can say like that, my yesterday was a nice day. I spent well with my family and my friends. So it was an awesome day. And we end up there. We feel like that I have told how was the day and that's enough. But in case of your mother tongue, in case of your native language, if anybody would ask you, how was the yesterday? How have you spent your yesterday? You can express more and more. Like, I have done this thing, then I have done that thing, then I felt that this was not good for me, I felt bad, how he spoke to me. So, many thoughts and many views are coming. See, you can express more and more in your own mother tongue, in your own native language. But in case of English, we just give one big picture like it was a nice day or it was an awesome day. That's it. After that, we don't feel like that we can say more. So, how can you structure your thought? How can you say more and more in English? How can you express more and more in this language? How can you gossip more and more in this language? So, this is the point which I am going to discuss today. And I think that whenever you start saying something on any topic, be descriptive. The first point is be descriptive. If anybody would ask you, how was the day yesterday? Never tell that it was an awesome day in the front end. In the first line, don't say like that. You should go with some structure. This is the second point. So when you follow a structure and when you follow a good description, you can say more and more. So you should describe more. You should describe more like, hello, hi, love to say on this topic. Really, I want to say many more on this topic. First of all, I want to say I started my morning by waking up as I do usually, like waking up at 6 a.m. Then I did my yoga. After that, I took my bath and I felt like that I should eat something. So as usually, I ate my breakfast. And then I thought that I can do many more today. Not only doing the official work, I can proceed on much more things. So after doing my work in the lunch time, I called my best friends and I asked them whether we should meet at night and have some party. So after taking lunch, I was very happy. I felt like that now is the time to cherish. Now I should do my rest of the work and plan what I can wear when I'm going out with my friends. So in this way, I planned and also I did my work and then I just completed my work by 4 p.m. After that, I came back to home. I slept for a while, and then I again called my friends and I told them, let's meet in this place. So get dressed up, so we should have fun. So afterwards, I met my friends after a long time and we enjoyed so much. We were feeling awesome. The party was mind-boggling. We spoke a lot with each other. We spoke frankly with each other because we are best friends, we are friends from our college days. So say in this way, when you say something, you should say in a descriptive manner. This is one example I am giving you. As much as you speak, you should feel like that you are gossiping. The gossiping should not be like informal way. If anybody would ask you how was the day yesterday, in a formal setting, you can't gossip. You can't speak like as you are gossiping. But I am telling you why you gossip, because when you try to gossip, you say more. You say more and more. So if you speak out more and more in this language, you can feel more expressive. You can feel more comfortable. So that's why you need to be more descriptive. Describe how was the yesterday in a vivid manner. Don't feel like that I have to say 1 or 2 sentences and then I will end up. No, never say in the starting line that it was an awesome day, it was a nice day. Never. You should say this at the end. At first, you must tell the listener why it was an awesome day. You must not tell it was an awesome day and end the conversation there. You should tell how it was awesome. Why you were calling your yesterday an awesome day. There must be some reasons behind that, because of which you are feeling the yesterday was awesome. So you should say that. You should describe that. You should say something. If you are telling that your day was not awesome, it was a boring day, then you should say something why it was boring day. There must be reasons behind that. Why you are calling your yesterday boring day or a fantastic day. So you should describe the reasons, and you should describe the reasons in a vivid manner. Don't describe shortly. Like, I met my friends, that's why it was an awesome day. No. I met my friends after a long time. You should say like that. I called them over phone, and when we met, we spoke out frankly. We discussed all the things happening in our life. And my friend told this thing to me, and we laughed out a lot after hearing this. So describe in this way. And at the end, I was feeling awesome. Oh my God, the meeting with my friends changed my whole mood. You should speak in this manner. So are you getting my point, what I am trying to tell? You should describe more and more. As you describe more and more, you can feel like that you can speak easily in this language as you speak in your mother tongue. So this is the thing I want to say. And the second thing which I have pointed out, that is structure of thought. You should not start with like, I met my friends in the evening time. No. You should start with, as usual, whatever you do in the morning. So firstly, you should start with a hook point in the introduction part, like, thank you for asking this question. I am really feeling happy to say many things about my yesterday. So start in this way, okay? Like, you must not start in a very rapid manner in the beginning. You should say like that, yes, this point is being given to you, and means this topic is being given to you and you are really feeling happy to describe it. So say in this way. Start in this way. Afterwards, you describe your morning, and then afterwards in the afternoon, and then what have you decided, how you have called your friends and how you have done your party, all these things, all the amusements in the latter part. At the end, we should summarize whatever we have told before. So this is the structure. First, you should start with an intro. Second is the body, main body part. And thirdly, there should be a summarization. Like in the total summary, I can see that it was an awesome day. So this thing you should say at the end. Or you can say, to sum up, I can say, it was an awesome day. It was a mind-boggling day. So speak in this way. Understand? You should not say this thing which you were saying in the end, like it was a mind-boggling day. in the front end. You should say in the front end as like starting some topic, like as an introduction, like as you have given me this topic, I want to say that I am very happy to say about this. So speak like this man. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Take care.